Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Hyun. Today, I'm going to show you a really simple and easy painting. I made a good and simple composition for today's topic. And I'm going to be using watercolor and pen for colors yellow, Scarlet Lake, sap green, ultramarine deep. The first thing is that I'm placing basic composition with a 2H pencil. A really shape is that it has 6 petals, so I mark 5 dots and I draw the center lines of the flowers and draw the shape of the petals one by one. I'm fixing the leaf shapes, and when you finish pencil drawing, erase the pencil marks slightly picking. And then draw with a pen just along the pencil lines. I'm using a micro 03 pen, which is waterproof. Okay, before I color to dilute colors, and so I'm dilute yellow, Scarlet Lake, sap green, ultramarine deep by Holbein. So I'm wetting the whole of my paper to use wet on wet. And I will use Scarlet Lake and yellow for flowers. If you don't have any Scarlet Lake, you can use some of orange or vermilion color. Dilute the color center to edgy. I switched the pointed round brush in order to draw the tip of the petals and some lines of the petals. I'm using watery sap green color. Now I'm mixing the colors Scarlet Lake, Sap Green, and Ultramarine Deep. So I got some of brown color, dark brown color. I'm dabbing watery green with a paper towel from the petal for highlights and adding light yellow on that. For the background, I'd like to make some blurry marks for looking nature and airy. So draw some bushes and flower leaves for the background. And now I'm splashing with the flower colors which I used and dotting it here and there so the viewer can be able to imagine something. Now I'm adding on the leaf area with the flower color. For this starting, just some imagination. Alright, we are all done. See you next time. Bye.